Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Hello, dear friends. Good evening, sector. A beautiful, beautiful evening. Let's have a cup of tea and winner unboxing. So this is a small one, and I think I know what it is. Let's take a look. Ta 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 ta. Oh, BS Mall. That's some marketing improvement need to be done. Why do you call BS? BS Mall. Beauty secret. Beyond smart. Anyway, overnight recovery and renewal. Collagen, hyaluronic acid, superfood, vitamin complex for caked, chapped, dry lips. Whoosh. I was thinking this is medicine. Vitamin complex. Whoosh. It is not a medicine. I like to peel it clean and nice. Okay, let's turn it around. BS. This is such a name. They need some people who have a sense of the language. BS. That's BS. This 12 milliliter. Wow. Collagen, vitamin AS. That's quite big. Open up. Oh, I need the chaps. I need. Oh, there is no color actually. Almost no tint. Oh, it's a little bit like my cherry tea. Let me have a cotton Q-tip. Okay, now I got the Q-tip. Why there is so much space? It's kind of it's so much space, you can see. It's kind of a waste of space. And if you travel with it, it will take a lot of space in your luggage. And if you put it at home, who can have this much space in the cabinet? We do not have. Now let's see the color. Now I will try this color in front of your eyes, okay? Okay, Let's take a look. First, let me clean up a little bit. This is without anything. And then with it, let's take a look. Uh-oh. Turn it around. Let's take a look how it works. I do not want it contaminated, so each application I will take a new Q-tip. It smells cherry. It's very moisturizing, hydrating. I can apply directly to my hand. Oh, it's like wax. That's it.